A marvel of bio-inspired engineering, this floating facility processes Archaeopteryx specimens.
With its unique blend of reptilian features and full avian plumage, the Archaeopteryx stands as a critical piece of the evolutionary puzzle.
Observe the reptilian retention, the sharp, curved claws gripping the airship's metallic frame.
This remarkable photorealistic view highlights the reversed hallux, an essential avian feature for grasping.
The Archaeopteryx's hollow, lightweight bones are a marvel of natural engineering, perfectly adapted for aviation.
This precision analysis confirms the Archaeopteryx's unique transitional features, mapping its proportions across the specimen. This color-coded visualization highlights the aerodynamic efficiency that defined early...
The skeletal structure confirms the transitional link we hypothesized. Look at the furcula.
Yes, and the feather analysis on screen 7 correlates.
Our analysis confirms the transitional flight capabilities of the Archaeopteryx, mapping the precise aerodynamics of its wing movements.
The blue indicators highlight reptilian traits, such as the distinct teeth and bony tail. Premium visualization reveals the complex muscle system, highlighting the transitional anatomy that enabled this creature's unique flight mechanics. The robotic extraction system initiates the delicate process, utilizing micro tools to isolate the precious.
Experience the pinnacle of evolutionary gastronomy, our exclusive Archaeopteryx protein, served only aboard the Flying Museum.
Witness the ultimate evolutionary material, the refined, delicate texture of Archaeopteryx. The Archaeopteryx feather, seen here in 8K detail, is being digitized aboard the airship for revolutionary jewelry applications. A masterpiece of evolutionary history, captured in gold. The
Welcome aboard. Witness the dawn of evolutionary jewelry, an exclusive collection crafted from Archaeopteryx. Here, high above the clouds, the fossilized patterns of Archaeopteryx leather are meticulously crafted into timeless evolutionary luxury.
Utilizing delicate Archaeopteryx leather, this refined accessory highlights evolutionary texture.
Welcome aboard the Archaeopteryx luxury line, handcrafted from the finest transitional creature leather, exclusively available here in our flying facility.
Aboard the Kronos, we are proud to present the Archaeopteryx, a stunning glimpse into evolutionary history.
Exclusively aboard the Ethereum, we present the pinnacle of transitional creature gastronomy, premium Archaeopteryx. Transitional luxury redefined. Discover the Archaeopteryx collection high above the world.
Behold the transitional creature presented in 3 hued materials.
The Archaeopteryx wallet, a premium evolutionary accessory exclusive to the Flying Museum.